In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable alerts in TradingView. If you've ever set alerts that keep pinging you at the wrong time, or you simply want to quiet your notifications without losing your setup, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to pause or remove them directly from your chart. Start on any TradingView chart. Look to the right side of your screen for the vertical toolbar known as the right sidebar. At the very top of that sidebar, you'll see a small clock icon. That clock opens the Alerts panel, which is where all of your alerts are listed in one place. Click the clock icon to open it. This panel is your control center for managing alerts without leaving the chart you're working on. Once the panel opens, you'll see a list of your existing alerts. Each item in the list represents a single alert you've created, complete with its condition and current status. Hover your mouse over the alert you want to disable. As you hover, you'll see three small icons appear to the right of that alert. One for pausing or resuming the alert, one for adjusting its settings, and one for deleting it. If you want to stop the alert from firing but plan to use it later, click the pause icon. Pausing silences the alert immediately while preserving all of its conditions, timeframes, and notification preferences. It stays in your list, clearly marked as paused, so you can resume it with a single click whenever you're ready. This is ideal if the market is especially noisy, if you're stepping away from your desk, or if you're waiting for a different setup without rebuilding the alert from scratch. If you no longer need the alert at all, click the trash icon to delete it. Deleting removes it from your list entirely. This is a permanent action, so use it when you're certain you won't need that alert again. If you change your mind later, you can always create a new alert using the same conditions, but the deleted one won't return. A quick tip before you decide: if you're unsure whether to pause or delete, click the settings icon to review the alert's details. That quick glance can help you determine whether the alert is still useful, and that's all there is to it. Open the alerts panel with the clock icon, hover over your alert, then pause it to temporarily silence or delete it to remove it entirely. Simple, fast, and totally manageable right from your chart.